Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson Manufacturing Industries of Class 10 Geography in this module 5. In this video we will learn about Aluminium Smelting Industry, Chemical and Fertilizer Industries of India. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. It is light, resistant to corrosion, and a good conductor of heat, malleable, and becomes strong when it is mixed with other metals. It is used to manufacture aircraft, utensils, and wires. It has gained popularity as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc, and lead in a number of industries. Aluminium smelting plants in the country are located in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. In 2008 to 9, India produced over 15.29 lakh million tons of aluminium. Bauxite, the raw material used in the smelters, is a very bulky, dark, reddish colored rock. Regular supply of electricity and an assured source of raw material at minimum cost are the two prime factors for the location of the industry. Here you can see a flow chart which shows the process of manufacturing in aluminium industry. Before that you can see how many tons are used for getting 1 ton of aluminium. We use around 4 to 6 tons of bauxite, which is the ore of aluminium, and from this 4 to 6 tons of bauxite we get 2 tons of alumina. And still when you extract the purest form of aluminium as 1 ton only you will get. And here they have given the flow chart how it is processed, and you can see the aluminium smelting pictures. The chemical industry in India is a fast growing and diversifying. It contributes approximately 3% of the GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of size. It comprises both large and small scale manufacturing units. The chemical industry is its own largest consumer. Basic chemicals undergo processing to further produce other chemicals that are used for industrial application, agriculture, or directly for consumer markets. Rapid growth has been recorded in both inorganic and organic sectors of the chemical industry. Organic chemicals include petrochemicals, which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fibers, synthetic rubber, plastics, dyestuffs, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. Organic chemical plants are located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants. Inorganic chemicals include sulfuric acid, which is used to manufacture fertilizers, synthetic fibers, plastics, adhesives, paints, dyestuffs. Nitric acid, alkalis, caustic soda are also examples of inorganic chemicals. Soda ash, which is an inorganic chemical, is used to make glass, soaps, detergents, and paper. These industries are widely spread over the country. Finally, in this video we are going to learn about fertilizer industries. Fertilizer industry is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, phosphatic fertilizers, and ammonium phosphate. A complex fertilizers which have a combination of nitrogen, phosphate, and potash. Potash is entirely imported as the country does not have any reserves of commercially usable potash or potassium compounds in any form. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. There are 57 fertilizer units manufacturing nitrogenous and complex nitrogenous fertilizers, 29 for urea, 9 for producing ammonium sulfate as a byproduct, and 68 other small units produce single superphosphate. Distribution of fertilizer industries in India. The first fertilizer plant of India was set up at Ranipet in Tamil Nadu in 1906. At present, there are 10 public sector undertakings and one in cooperative sector at Hazira in Gujarat under the Fertilizer Corporation of India. After the Green Revolution, the industry expanded to several other parts of the country. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Kerala contribute towards half of the fertilizer production. Other significant producers are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, West Bengal, Goa, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. With this, we come to the end of this video. Hope it's clear. Thank you.